Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamuyi Savadhanam Mate Jahara Prasadem Bhai Bhavaturiya Jam Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaha Hoite Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chitate Koriyaikyam. Yeah, here is the thing. It's such a joyful process. Mm, Joyful process of bhakti. What do we do when we don't feel it that way? Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chittete Koriya Aikya. What is it, the instruction that is given to us by Shri Guru? So, holding on to that, as an anchor. This very instruction will pick us up from the muck of modes, miserable muck of modes, and will show us how joyful this process is. How joyful this process is. It's the instruction of the Guru that can pick us up from the modes. And then we will see. This is actually a joyful process. When we see that the Lord is all in all, He is all in all, and everything that is existing is simply in His Sambandha. And to that Lord, we have this loving relationship. That's Guru Mukha Padma Vakya. Guru Mukha Padma Vakyam Chitate Koriyaikyam Aranam Koriho Mani Asham Shri Guru Charane Ratim Aise Uttama Gatim Jai Prasadi Pure Sarva Asham चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना आह प्रभु को दया दे हमोरे पाद छायम ए बिजाश पुषु त्रिभुवन. Srila Narottam Das Thakur, when he was singing Gauranga Karuna Koru Ami Dina Hina Jane Mosama Patita Prabhu Nahi Tribhuvani, and Dante Trinadari Gora Dakhiye Amar Kripa Karo Esho Amar Hridaya Mandire. When Gauranga Mahaprabhu comes and sits in the heart, since the absolute truth, the truth is that Lord is all in all, and everything is in sambandha with the Lord, relationship with the Lord. When Gauranga Mahaprabhu comes and sits in the heart, Gauranga Mahaprabhu is in love with Bhagavan. Srimati Radharani is in love with her beloved Shyamasundara. So everything will be imbued with love when Gauranga Mahaprabhu comes and sits in the core of our hearts. Everything is imbued with love. The supreme truth is imbued with love. Up until then, it is simply Vijnana. But when Gaurachandra comes and sits in the heart, it becomes Kevala Ananda Kanda. So from Jnana to Vijnana to Kevala Ananda Kanda, that's Gaurachandra. Mhm. Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada. Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyo cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Krishna Katha can be there, but for the very same Krishna Katha to be Ananda Kanda, Gaura has to come. Krishna Katha is made as Kevala Ananda Kanda by Gaura. That's why KNOW know Gaura, then you know Krishna. If there is no Gaura, no Gaura, where will be the prema to Krishna? And that is why all the Gaura Priyajana Sri Narottam Das Thakur Acharyas, they sing in joy. Why? Because they are not ordinary sadhus. They are Gaura Priyajanas. Vaishnavera padadhuli tahe mora snana keli tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama dhana mora nityananda pati mora gaura chandra prana mora yugala kishora. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyo cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Offering respects to all the devotees. They are like desire-fulfilling trees, and they are very dear to Bhagavan. Taking the dust from their lotus feet, smearing on the head, and dancing in joy. That only a Gaura Priyajana can say and sing like that. Vaishnavera padaduli tahe mora snana keli tarpan mora Vaishnavera. Vrindaye tulasi devyaye priyaye kesavasya cham Krishna bhakti prade devi satyavate namo namaha. That grows of Vrindavana. Gaura Priyajana brings us to this groves of Vrindavana, the land of divine love, where the whole land is imbued in love for Shyama Sundara. So that is our residence, that is our place, eternal place, as we speak, land of divine love. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namah Radha Krishna Seva Pao Ei Abhilashi Eto Mara Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi Kripa Kori Koro Tare Vrindavana Vasi Mora Ei Abhilash Vilas Kunja Diovas Nayani Haribo Sadam युगलरूपराशिम् एनी वेदानाधारं सखीरनुगत कोरं सेवाधिकारो धियं करोमि च दासीम् दीना कृष्ण दासे होय एयेना मोरा होय श्री राधा गोविंद प्रेमं सदा येन बासीम् Sakir Anugatya Seva in love, in divine love. Yani kani cha papani brahmahatyadikani cham tani tani pranashyanti pradakshina pade pade.